Here's a quick guide on how to set up your Coleman Sundome tent. First, find a level patch of ground, not under a tree, and clear of rocks and sticks. To orient your tent, locate the door by laying the tent out flat. Then place the tent door facing the desired direction. Pull the tent corner to make sure the tent floor is tight. Then stake down tent corners. Next, assemble all the tent poles so that they're straight. Then take the A or main body poles, which are the longest ones, and insert them through the sleeves on the tent to create an X shape. Connect these same main body poles A to the tent by inserting the pin at each tent corner into the pole. Push the poles upward and raise the tent. You can then clip the tent body to the A poles. For the rainfly, insert the shorter B pole into the fly. Place the rainfly on top of the tent. Attach the fly to the A poles using the hook and loop straps. Then, using the S hooks, secure the rainfly to the stake rings. Attach and stake out the Alumaline reflective guy lines, which are the cords attached to the outside of the rainfly. Adjust the sliders to make sure the guy lines are tight. If your tent has the ground vent option, stake it out as well. To take down the tent, follow the previous steps in the reverse order. For more information, visit Coleman.com or download the Coleman app.
This is an introduction to the Mountain Ultra tents. Your tent is a great place for resting in the outdoors because you can depend on it to stand up to the elements and protect you from pests. The Teton Sports Mountain Ultra tent will keep you dry, keep the bugs out, and is a simple, quick setup. It's also lightweight and portable to make transport to camp easy. The Mountain Ultra tents come in 4 different sizes. The Mountain Ultra 2, 3, and 4-person tents are the same design. Each has a built-in vestibule, added ventilation where condensation tends to build up, and all the extras are included. Footprint, rainfly, and gear storage bags. Each tent is made from a micro mesh that keeps out all the bugs and lets in all the surrounding view. The bathtub floor is a waterproof Oxford that comes up extra high around the base to keep out ground moisture. Each seam of the tent is heat taped and reinforced to last a lifetime. The rainfly is a ripstop nylon that is treated with 66D 3000mm water repellency. Each tent takes only moments to set up. We'll show you how. Place the footprint on the ground with the Teton Sports logo side up. Lay out your tent directly over the footprint and stake it down. Assemble the 2 orange cross poles. Place the ends in the grommets at each corner of the tent, so the poles cross each other in the middle. Clip the tent onto the poles. Assemble the silver ridge pole and attach it to the top of the tent by inserting it into the grommets provided. Drape the rainfly so that the doors align and buckle it into place at each of the 4 corners of the tent. Guy out your rainfly with the included lines and stakes. Add your favorite cot, camp pad, and sleeping bag and have a great trip. The Mountain Ultra tents, like all Teton Sports products, comes with our limited lifetime warranty, which is our promise that you can count on us. If you ever have any issues, please reach out to our awesome customer service team. We'll get you back outdoors and on the trail. And that's an introduction to the Teton Sports Mountain Ultra tents. Get outdoors and enjoy life.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.